All right, thanks for joining me today on Discover My Dividends, and this is my investment challenge. So I'm going to be sharing with you how things have gone down for the week, and yeah, it wasn't really a great week, but there is kind of some good news. Well, let's start with activity. Well, there wasn't much activity. That's the bad news, because I need activity to have turnover and make sure that things are growing. So AQN, I got both sells. I needed to sell twice to get rid of that stock, and it both came out August 14th. So yeah, that's all right. VBNK just came out yesterday, so that was a Friday sell. AQN I held a little bit longer. VBNK, yeah, decent amount. So neither one of these had an extraordinary amount of money in them, but the turnover was good, and I went ahead and bought ATD. So ATD, I really like this stock. I think it's got lots of growth potential. It's been kind of flat this year, but it got out of its 7-Eleven or 7 and I purchase that it was planning on doing, and the price spiked for the stock, and then it came back down. So there you go. So I feel like there's potential with this stock, and they had a recent purchase, so I think they're going to start turning things around. It seems like the whole industry might be getting pretty competitive right now, and whether or not they're going to be on top is yet to be seen, but I feel like they have the potential. Okay, so let's go back into okay, so my investment challenge. I'm sitting with a balance of $16.62, which is nothing. I can't buy anything, so that's not going to do much. But let's just look at my so that's my available cash flow, and my balance is $587.33, which the good news is I'm still quite a bit above where I'm supposed to be by the end of August. I'm actually ahead of where I should be at the end of September, so that's a good indication. Even though I've had a slowdown here, I'm still actually on track to reach my goal. So if you look at my weekly 3.29% this week is what I made, and it's a fair bit higher than last week, so that's good. So there's that positive, that even though I didn't get a lot of turnaround with stocks and cash flow, my overall balance did improve. So we are on an upward trajectory. So on the overall for the year, it's still at 15.6% increase, so I'm positive there as well, although I was at 20% for a short period, and that has dipped down. So as far as the overall strategy, I am still on track, but really when it comes down to it, this week was less than what I needed. I got sells. I got one buy on Friday, and I really didn't get any quick turnover, so no buys and sells in the same week, and definitely none in the same day. And I'm looking at trying to get about a 4% gain each week, so a little bit disappointing there. And that's it for discovering my dividends. For my investment challenge, you notice that I do use Wealthsimple. I have a link down below, and don't forget to click subscribe and like and follow along. We'll see you for the next video.